If you want to open the SIM card slot on OnePlus 15, what you need to do is we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find our SIM tray. Of course, over here we have our SIM tray. We also have this SIM tray hole on the SIM tray, and we need to use the eject tool that you can find inside the box of OnePlus 15. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the eject tool into this hole, and then once we are in, we need to use a little bit of force and we need to push it down until the SIM tray pops out. Once it pops out, we can take it out. We can completely remove it by using our fingernails or fingers. There we go. And this is how it looks like. In this case, we have the SIM card number 1 slot, and on the back we have SIM card number 2. So now in order to insert our SIM card, we just have to simply match the shape of the SIM tray. So here we have the cut part in this place, and we need to make sure that the SIM card is fully in. There we go. It should not stick out at all. And most likely you will hear a little click once you insert the SIM card into its slot. There we go. It is fully in. It doesn't stick out. We have inserted both SIM cards at the same time, and now we're gonna put it back into the phone. Just slide it in with your finger. There we go. Make sure that it is fully in. If it doesn't want to go in, then make sure that these SIM cards are properly inserted and that you of course inserted the correct way. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.